In this thrilling video, we'll witness 20 jaw-dropping moments of birds engaging in fierce battles with their prey. From majestic eagles swooping down to incredible pelican hunting. The shoebill. These prehistoric-looking birds are truly a sight to behold, with their enormous size, standing up to 5 feet tall and possessing a wingspan of over 8 feet. Their preferred diet consists mainly of fish, frogs, and sometimes even small reptiles. Now, let's witness the incredible swallowing technique of the shoebill. Unlike most birds that eat pieces of their prey, the shoebill swallows its prey whole, thanks to its unique anatomy. The shoebill roams these swamps. Deeper into the swamp lies the reason for all this fishing. A vulnerable 3-week-old shoebill chick relies entirely on its parents for sustenance. The jackal's attack overpowers the stork, despite its valiant resistance. The predator's cunning and ferocity prevail, delivering a final blow to its majestic prey. In another gripping clash, a pelican targets an unsuspecting pigeon, which is no match due to the bird's size. The determined pelican momentarily releases its prey to drink water, then makes a second successful attempt at swallowing the pigeon whole. The great blue heron, with lightning-fast reflexes, skillfully captures a small snake and meticulously positions it for consumption in a secluded clearing. The marabou stork, known for its scavenging prowess, clashes with Rappel's vultures over a kudu carcass. The marabou stork's powerful bill and neck ruff bring its victory. An eagle's predatory instincts lead it to hunt down baby warthogs. The eagle seizes the opportunity, honing in on one of the baby warthogs. With remarkable skill, the eagle successfully captures its prey. The eagle, a relentless predator, spots a cunning fox and swiftly captures its prey. With assistance, the eagle proves capable of defeating the fox, proving the superiority of its hunting skills. The fish eagle's graceful flight is interrupted by the presence of a flock of flamingos. Sensing danger, the flamingos attempt to escape, but one falls victim to the swift and calculated attack of the fish eagle. In the wild, hawks exhibit fascinating hunting habits. Recently, a hawk was spotted attempting to kill a cuckoo bird, pecking at each feather with precision. This predatory behavior showcases the hawk's exceptional hunting skills. In a remarkable display of survival instincts, a small blue bird managed to rip the eyes out of a blue snake as it desperately tries to escape. Nature's fierce battle unfolds in unexpected ways. A gray-headed bush shrike does battle with its age-old enemy. The bird and snake begin to fight each other until the snake pretends to be dead. The shrike was not so easily fooled, and the fighting continues. A secretary bird is harassing a jackal. It won't let the jackal move in any direction, blocking every attempt the jackal makes to escape. Circling around the jackal and jumping over and kicking out at its back. It was pretty gruesome to watch as the snake eagle began to eat and tear the snake apart while it was still alive. The eagle had the snake well pinned down and had possibly broken the snake's back, which limited its movements. An eagle rips a lizard's eyes apart as it tries to escape. The eagle was still busy trying to take out the lizard. In total, it took about 5 hours for the lizard to finally give up. The fight between cobra and the brown snake eagle. It appears that the eagle is the attacker and the snake the victim. Cobras are feared by humans, but not by this bird. The hawk doesn't hesitate and immediately pulls the baby bird out its home and takes it to a nearby branch. It pulls the bird's head right off its little body. The hawk swallows the head and finishes eating the bird. Geese brutally attack a hungry baboon. This baboon doesn't bat an eyelid when attacked by 2 geese as he pushes through to get the prized egg meal. This gray-headed bush shrike starts tugging at the intestines of a rufous-beaked snake. The bird keeps pulling and pecking on the snake, and the snake kept opening its mouth as a threat. Two secretary birds attack a rabbit and take off after it. Accurate strikes to the head and spine cripple the rabbit, and the birds make short work of it. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. What do you think of these wild animal battles? Leave your comments below if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos.